Good morning. Well, today I have to fix my shoes. They got broken like 2 days ago. And I've been walking with them around the city as well. I got some sort of glue for the local glue for the shoes. Ugh. I'm gonna try to fix it. Hopefully it would work. Because I really don't want to spend the money and buy new shoes. And this is the van life for you. Something breaks with the car, you have to fix it. Something breaks with the shoes, you have to fix your shoes. Something else appears, you have to fix it. Like, what, 2 weeks ago broke the sink. Had to fix it. Replace the faucet. That was actually easy fix, but still took me a couple of hours to do that, plus buying the stuff. Not that easy. Kind of went with Lily all over the city to buy that faucet. I'm really hoping this glue gonna work. Gonna hold. It says on the glue to hold it for 1 minute, and in 10 minutes is good to go. Well, it might just work. Or at least for a while, it might work.
Hi, we're Lili and Dominik. A year ago, we were running a restaurant in Eastern Europe. Today, we're living in a self-converted Sprinter van and chasing our dream of driving the Pan-American highway. From Mexico and beyond, we're sharing every adventure, every challenge, and every unforgettable moment from the road.
Stuff from Costco. No, not fresh at all. Better. If we use it in the next couple of days, it's fine.
What else do you want? We have...
Well, we went for the shopping before we leave Todos Santos, and we spent 123 pesos on fruit, 135 pesos on fruits and veggies. We bought 2 mangoes, 2 big avocados, and some green onion, and also 15 pesos for half a kilo of tortillas, corn tortillas, fresh, warm, straight away from the line. Now we are on our way from El Pescadero, Cabo San Lucas, Cabo San Jose.
No, Los Cabos. Yeah.
Los Cabos.
No, Cabo San Lucas.
Cabo San Lucas. Cabo San Lucas.
One,
That's the first one that we're going to. There's a lot of cabos in that area. on the south of Baja. So kind of hard to figure out which one. Yeah, gonna go there, probably spend the night, and we're gonna be driving from there, from the most south point of the peninsula, up north on the other side of the coast. That's gonna be east, but yeah, east coast. We're gonna be driving the east coast up, and we'll see what can we do there. We'll find the spots as well to stay overnight, and we're gonna try to go to the city, visit the cities as well. I think.
Yeah. And also hoping that maybe we'll find another spot where we can be for a little bit more than just one night.
Yeah.
But depends on our luck, I suppose. We'll see
Yeah, we'll see how we feel, and we'll see how.
where we end up and how it's. Yeah.
Absolutely.